Let's run through setting the time and calibrating the hands on a G Shock GMA-S130. First things first, we're going to want to make sure that our hands are calibrated. To do this, we're going to press and hold the adjust button. Keep holding it, keep holding it. We'll see HS, which is hand set. Now it'll display seconds 00. We can use our forward and reverse. We want to make sure that our seconds hand is pointing directly at 12 o'clock here for 0. Next, we'll press mode to adjust our hour and minute hands. We want to make sure these are at 12 o'clock as well. Once those are calibrated, we can simply press adjust once more. Now our hands will be properly calibrated. Now we can go ahead and set our digital time and date functions. So now we're going to press and hold adjust again. Once it beeps, we'll let go. Now we'll see our seconds start flashing. We can use our forward button to 0 their seconds. Press mode to enter the next setting, which is daylight savings off or on. Mode for our next setting, which is 12 or 24-hour timekeeping. Mode for our next setting, which is our hour, currently 3 p.m. where I live. Mode for our next setting, which is our minute, 42. Mode for our next setting, which is our year, 2025. Mode for our next setting, which is our month, April. Mode for our next setting, which is our day, the 20th. Mode for our next, which is beeping on or off. Mode for our final setting, which is our light duration, 1 or 3 seconds. And once we're done with all that, we can simply press adjust once more, and our hands will set themselves to the right time. Thank you all so much for joining me in this quick time setting tutorial. I really hope that it was helpful. If you're interested in more tutorials and watch related content, please do consider subscribing. Thanks everyone.